Hello everyone. As you all would know that the CBSE board has released a CBSE sample question paper for term 2 examinations which are to be held in this year in the month of March and April. So based on that sample question paper, Goyal brothers Prakashan have released a set of 12 books in 12 different subjects. This is the book for psychology. The subject code is 037. And basically, this is a question bank which has the CBSE sample paper and the model test papers for the students to practice. Let me also tell you that this book is basically based on the latest reduced and bifurcated syllabus for term 2 examinations. Also, it has the chapter-wise summary and question bank, the CBSE sample question paper which is solved, which has been released by the CBSE board, is also included in this book. Plus, this book also has 5 model test papers which are unsolved for the students to practice for the examinations. Now, let me tell you how the book has been designed. To start with, we have this syllabus in the starting of the book. You can see topic-wise syllabus is given in the starting, plus the marks which are assigned to each term and each unit are mentioned here on the right hand side. After that, the syllabus is given here. You can see the practical for term 2 syllabus is given. After the syllabus, we have the contents. If you see, the contents are basically divided into 3 different sections. Section A, Section B and Section C. Section A is chapter-wise question bank. Section B is the CBSE sample question paper and Section C is the model test papers. There are 5 model test papers which are unsolved for the practice of the students for the examinations. Now let us go through each section individually. This is Section 1. Section A, which is chapter-wise question bank. This is Chapter 1, Psychological Disorders. So if we see, the summary is given in the starting. You can see all the points are given in the starting of the summary. You can see all the points are given. The points are given only for the simple reason that the child can actually revise and recapitulate the complete chapter point-wise in a very short time. Right? So this is the complete summary of the chapter. You can see all important points are given in the starting of each unit. Similar manner, every unit has been designed. After this summary, we have the question bank. Before I tell you about the question bank, there are 2 important points that I would like to tell you. First, all the important questions from the previous year examinations have been included in this question bank. And second, the questions which are there in the question banks are all based on the pattern on which the CBSE sample paper has released. So all the questions which are there in the CBSE sample paper, the pattern is similar in these question banks, right? So in the question banks, in the starting, we have 2 marks type questions which are short answer type questions. You can see all the answers are provided here along with the questions. Now these are all short answer type questions. There are almost 17 different type questions. Right? After that, we have short answer type questions which are 3 marks type questions. You can see again the answers are provided along with the questions. So these are all 3 marks type questions. After that, we have long answer type questions which are 4 marks each. Again, the answers are provided for all these 4 marks type questions. Alright, so these are all 4 marks type questions. After that, we have the case study based questions which are again 4 marks type questions. These are case study based questions. Again, the case study is given and the answers are given along with the case study questions. Right? So this is the question bank. This is how each unit has been designed. In the starting, we have the summary and then the question bank. After that, we come to the second part of the book, that is Section B, which is the CBSE Sample Question Paper. Now, this is the same paper which is released by the CBSE board. So, you can see this sample paper has 3 different sections. Section A, Section B and Section C. Now this is a solved paper, so all the answers are provided along with the questions in this sample paper. This is the sample paper. This also has section D. So there are 4 different parts in the sample paper. After that, we come to the last part of the book, that is section C, which is the model test papers. This is model test paper number 1. You can see it is strictly based on the CBSE sample paper. The pattern is exactly the same as of the CBSE sample paper. This also has 4 different sections: section A, section B, section C and section D. Now there are 5 model test papers, all unsolved for the practice of the students, all based on the CBSE sample paper. For samples, you can mail us at info@goyal-books.com. Also, if you want to view the samples, you can visit the website, which is www.goyal-books.com/CBSE Term 2 MTP Class 12. Also, if you want to purchase these books, you can visit the website, which is www.goyal-books.com. Thank you.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.